Hi, my name is Joverly Nawe. This is my teaching presentation for CIT 230, and I choose to discuss SEO. I only have a small idea about SEO, but I hope that you will learn something new about my presentation. The goal of this video is to give a basic overview of how search engine works so you can better understand what SEO is all about. Let's get started. First off, SEO is an acronym that stands for Search Engine Optimization. A search engine is something like Google, Yahoo, or Bing that serves up information based on specific search terms. Search terms could be anything from what is SEO or what is the best weather site. Optimization means the action of making the best or most effective use of engine. And if we put them together, SEO is to make the best or most effective use of your web page to answer specific search terms to rank well in search engine results. As of today, there are over 1.74 billion registered websites out there on the internet, and most of us rely on search engines to find what we want. There are lots of search engines, but about 73% heavily favor Google. When you search something with Google, a term or phrase in search engine, we call them keywords or key phrases, you get back a long list of results, thousands in fact. For example, if we try to search the skills of using design color typography in ad campaign, this is the blank that I made last semester. It ranked first when I searched it in Google, but now it did not appear anymore on the first page. So this shows you how many websites Google found that are probably relevant to what you are looking for. And this is the section most people care about, the actual results list, which is the list of websites that contained what you are looking for, and this is also called as the golden triangle, or the top 3 results. And this is where most people just click right only in there. So what happens when your page shows up on page 10 or 20? Most of the time, if we don't find what we are looking for, we just start from the scratch and simply adjust the search criteria rather than clicking through in list results pages. That's why it's important to make sure you appear toward the top of the list. This is why doing SEO is so important. When people search for something that's relevant to them, and they see your website in their search results, they're gonna click and visit your page. But if your website is not on the top of the list, no one can ever find it. Now, on the results page, people can click on 2 types of things: paid ads and what we called organic results. Paid ads are just what the sounds like, results that the company has paid Google to appear when a particular keyword or phrase has been searched. Organic results, on the other hand, showed up naturally based on the relevance of the keyword or search. So let's take a look at an example. So if we try to search best SEO tools, now you can see that this is an ad, and this is what's known as knowledge graph. Then you also have people also ask area, which simply shows the related searches people will do on this topic. Google makes most of money from AdWords. So if someone clicks to this ad, then the advertiser will have to pay Google. Organic results, on the other hand, showed up naturally. So this is an example of organic results. It simply means that these results aren't paid at all. The biggest reason why SEO is important is because these top 3 results, they get over 70% of all the clicks. Others, they get 20 or 10%. That's why it's so important to make sure your website is first on Google. In order to get your content in front of the right people, optimize your website or blog post so that it will show up as a top result for anyone who searches it. Important thing to consider when creating content for your site is SEO keywords or phrases. Your chances for a better ranking will grow when your website contains the same words that are being searched. To get higher ranking, your website must have all the ingredients that search engine is looking for. Because SEO, search text, contents, links, page titles, and other relevant information contained in the HTML code of your web page. When you make a Google search, example Hawaiian planner, you notice that every time you do it, there is a link at the top, and then there's this one sentence. Each page on the web has official title, but you may not see it because it's in the code. The link at the top is called the title tag, and the description below is the meta description. Google analyzes trillion sites each month, so if your website code is confusing and incomplete, Google will likely pass you up. So in your title tag and your meta description, make sure you include keywords. Search engines pay a lot of attention to page titles because they often summarize the page. Here are just a few factors that can help you improve your search ranking. First, Google scan your website if it has relevant content to user search. So let's take a look at the website here, Hawaiian Planner. They scan your website and look at your page's content if it has the keywords which the user is searching for. Google's job is to provide the most relevant answer to that user's search query. So whatever people are searching for, if they are planning a trip to Hawaii or explore Maui Ocean Center, that keyword should be on that page. They also actually look at the page source. So if you right-click and view that page source, they look at the code if the content is related to what the user is searching for. Another factor is our other websites are linking to you. So when people actually link to a specific page, it means that page is important. For example, this Hawaiian Planner, it links to Southwest Airlines. So if you actually click into that, then that's gonna link to this website, to Hawaiian Planner. Okay. User experience is another factor. It's how long does the actual user spend browsing the website. This tells Google whether or not your website is a valuable resource. Another factor is the speed of the website. If your website takes longer than 4 seconds to load, people are gonna click off your website. Another factor is mobile friendliness. Having a mobile-friendly website is a critical part of your online presence. You can check your mobile friendliness on a page called Mobile Friendly Test. This is a quick and easy way to test whether a page on your site is a mobile friendly or not. You can, for example, you can plug in this URL here and then click test URL. So let's wait because it's still analyzing and fetching the page and still running test results. And let's wait for a few seconds. And there you go. The page is mobile friendly. So that's it. make your site responsive. Adjust to fit any size screen automatically. After learning about what is SEO, you can now work to make changes to your site and boost your rankings on the search engine results page. Remember, there are a lot of factors that impact your SEO ranking, but the most important thing to consider is whether your content is followable and relevant to your intended audience. Keep in mind that search engine optimization takes time to work its magic. You won't experience the benefits of SEO overnight. In fact, it may take months to enjoy the results of your hard work. Without SEO, your site will never be found online. Thank you. That's all for now.